We have all been there. You ask an AI to handle a multi-step project, and within seconds, the system chokes, losing the thread of conversation or throwing generic error messages. Single prompt chatbots hit a hard ceiling when a task requires more than one step. Google is moving toward a different model, the autonomous agent fleet. These systems are designed to execute multi-day workflows, organizing their own subtasks to finish a project without constant human handholding. This is powered by the Gemini 3.1 Pro and Flash image ecosystem. These models enable agents to manage their own compute budgets and reference persistent memory, allowing them to recall context from a task started days ago. This shift required retiring the traditional generate content endpoint, the standard request and response model. It has been replaced by the stateful interactions API, which maintains a continuous, long-running loop between the agent and the system. Because this interactions API runs in the background, the corporate relationship with AI changes. Companies are now deploying a digital workforce that handles the heavy lifting asynchronously, rather than just using a tool for quick replies. The flagship worker in this fleet is Deep Research Max. It is a specialist designed specifically for deeply sourced corporate due diligence, the kind of work that usually takes an analyst an entire week to compile. This chart shows the massive increase in resources Max uses compared to standard models. On the left, standard deep research dispatches about 80 searches and finishes in 10 minutes. On the right, Deep Research Max doubles that search volume to 160 queries and chews through nearly 1 million input tokens, iterating for up to an hour for a single report. This extended compute powers agentic RAG. A sufficient context agent reads retrieved data to create an internal rough draft. If it notices missing risk factors, it triggers an insufficient context signal, rewrites its query, and loops back into the database for the missing piece. The agent can move past the open web as well. By using the Model Context Protocol, it securely interfaces with proprietary databases and private enterprise data silos, including internal financial records or protected market research. When the research is complete, the agent generates base64 encoded native charts and infographics, embedding them directly into a professional-grade document. The ability to audit its own draft and loop back for missing context is a major technical milestone in reducing hallucinations. For enterprise-grade research, this self-correction mechanism leads to significantly higher factuality and recall. Managing a single researcher is one thing, but running an entire fleet requires an overarching, centralized control plane. This is the Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform, which has evolved from the core building blocks of Vertex AI. Non-technical teams use the Gemini Enterprise app, while developers use the platform backend to build agents. This backend features 5 layers: build, runtime, governance, integration, and optimization. Inside governance, agent identity assigns each AI a unique cryptographic tag for total traceability. To prevent security breaches, these agents run inside a hardened, isolated sandbox. This allows them to execute Python scripts or browser automation without risk to the host system, protected by a security layer called Agentic Defense. In collaborative planning mode, the agent pauses to present its research strategy before it begins. The user can refine the steps and explicitly click Approve before the system spends significant compute resources on the final execution. This 5-layer architecture functions as a comprehensive governance system designed specifically for organizations to manage a workforce of non-human employees at scale. This technology is already moving into active corporate operations. HCLTech is using the platform to automate up to 50% of its finance operations, while IBM has integrated it into their multi-agent IT service desks. Even in healthcare, Weave is deploying these agents as omni-channel receptionists to handle patient intake and scheduling. However, moving from a standard chatbot to an agent platform requires meeting several strict technical prerequisites. To run this, an organization needs a formal Google Cloud setup and a paid Gemini Enterprise tier subscription. Most importantly, internal data must be mapped and wrapped using the Model Context Protocol, so the agents have a standardized way to interact with your systems. This move toward the Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform forces a fundamental redesign of how companies structure their security and data architecture to accommodate autonomous actors. Google's current strategy focuses on building the infrastructure required for an enterprise to function with autonomous AI workers at its core. Of the features we covered, which do you see as the biggest hurdle for adoption? Are you more interested in the raw power of extended compute or the precision of these new knowledge graph frameworks? Let us know in the comments. To see the technical research behind the AI headlines, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.